Hello friends, welcome to Be Learning Club. In this video, I'm going to tell you 5 finger tips of laptop. When you are using one finger on the touchpad, when you are using two finger on the touchpad, when you are using three finger on the touchpad and so on, what will happen? Let's see. So when you are using one finger on the touchpad of the laptop, you can move the cursor anywhere on the screen like this. Now, when you are using two finger on the touchpad of the laptop, so what will happen when you are using two finger? You can scroll down and scroll up. Now, when you are using three finger on the touchpad of laptop, what will happen? This is more interesting. So when you are using three finger on the touchpad and just drag downwards, then it will minimize, and just drag upwards, then it will maximize. Just you are using three finger and drag downwards, minimize, and drag upwards, maximize. But when you are using three finger on the touchpad and drag upwards, then it will create a new desktop for you. So just touch the touchpad with three fingers and drag upwards, then you will create a new desktop. And just touch the touchpad with four fingers, then it will minimize or maximize. Just drag downward for minimize and drag upward for maximize. And touch the touchpad with four fingers and drag upward. Same will happen. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe channel. See you in next video. Thank you.